In this following tutorial, we will learn how to set up WooCommerce SEO or search engine optimization using Yoast and another secret plugin. And all these plugins are free of cost. You don't have to buy WooCommerce Yoast SEO premium plugin for this. Until now, you have learned how we can build a dropshipping website using WooCommerce and how to import product and how to configure them and import the reviews, everything. Now it's time for search engine optimization. So let's start it. For this, you have to install Yoast plugin, and remember, you don't have to buy the premium WooCommerce add-on for this. Just go to your plugins, add new, and search Yoast from here. This plugin is well recommended in WordPress community and considered as one of the best SEO plugin. Click on install now and activate it. Now we have activated the Yoast plugin, and you can see some settings and some menu has been provided by this Yoast plugin. So check out them. First, here you will learn how to set up the Yoast plugin with using the configuration wizard. And first, there Yoast is showing a problem with your site that we have disabled the search engine indexing and some notifications also. So if you want to know more about these notifications, you can see they are recommending you to buy the Yoast WooCommerce SEO plugin. It is not free, but the basic Yoast plugin is free. You can see you have to pay only $49 for one website to use this plugin. And you will get some rich pins and some additional features with this WooCommerce SEO plugin. But we will not install this, but rather we will use a secret free plugin which is a very good alternative for WooCommerce SEO plugin. Go again to the plugin dashboard and add plugin. Here you have to search WooCommerce SEO add-on. WooCommerce WooCommerce SEO. Here you can find the WooCommerce SEO add-on provided by Primers. You have to install this little plugin to activate the additional features of Yoast for the WooCommerce. Click on activate now. This little plugin will help you to achieve the same result as the premium WooCommerce plugin provided by Yoast. And you don't have to pay anything for that. You can safely skip this. And if you wish, you can also allow to continue from here. Now you have to configure this WooCommerce SEO add-on plugin. It will be found in left hand side primers menu, but first we will configure the Yoast, then we will go to this add-on. So first you have to enable the search indexing. As you can remember, we have discouraged the search engines from indexing this site when we have set up the website from the first time. Now you have to uncheck this option and press save changes. Now again go to this notifications. The problem is now solved, and you can find two notifications also. These are not any problems, so we can safely ignore them because we are using this primers add-on for the features. Now we will run the Yoast SEO wizard for WooCommerce. Click on configuration wizard from this information notification. You can close the Yoast site now. Here is the installation wizard. Again, they are recommending you to buy the Pro plugin, but we will not buy it. Just click on configure Yoast SEO. First, you have to tell the production environment, and our site is now ready to be indexed because it is ready, and we have also disabled the maintenance page. Click on next. Now what type of website is this? And this is an online shop. Check this radio button and click on next. Now it's asking that is it a company or a person. So obviously this is a business and it is going to be a company, and this information will be shown in knowledge graph. Let's check out what is knowledge graph. If you search for a company or brand name on Google, you can see this right hand side widget or bar where you can see the information about this brand, and Google keeps this information as knowledge graph. And if you are a company, you will be getting this type of snippet when you become popular. And now see if it is a person, how it looks. I am going to show you an example of Steve Jobs, and also you can see some information of Steve Jobs has arrived on this right sidebar, and also this is a knowledge graph. So if you set a company or a person from here, you can set this type of knowledge graph. So just put the name of your website or brand here, and you have to choose an image for this brand. Remember the example of Coca-Cola. I am taking our logo as this brand image. Okay, that's it. Click on next. Now here you can add all of your social profiles. like your Facebook business page URL, Twitter username, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. These all pages will be associated with your brand. So if you don't have any of this, you can skip this for now, but it is highly recommended to improve search ranking. Now, search engine visibility. You have to choose what things you would like to be indexed in any type of search engine like Google and Bing, etc. So here I will include all the post pages and products, but I will not include the templates because these are not necessary, and these templates are coming from Elementor templates. Okay, click on the next. Now it asks you if your website has multiple authors. It is a business website, and naturally you can enable multiple authors if you have many authors to write, but I don't recommend it because it has no value now. Now it is asking to enable the Google Search Console. Click on this red button to get a Google authorization now. Now we will see how to connect your Webmaster tool or Search Console with this Yoast SEO. Type Google Webmaster Tools in Google search bar and find this google.com/webmaster, and here you can find the Search Console. Now you have to use your Gmail account which you have intended to use with this website, and you have to click on add property. If you don't have any Google account, you can always create one from here. And now we are adding our website as a property inside Google Search Console. There are 2 or 3 methods to validate the Google ownership. So first one is highly recommended to download this HTML file and upload it inside your file manager by going to cPanel. Just download this Google authentication file here, save it anywhere on your PC or laptop. Then you have to open your cPanel. For this you can directly go to cPanel by using your domain name /cpanel and log in with your user ID and password provided by your hosting company. From here you have to go to the file manager. If you have multiple websites, then you have to select the proper one from this panel and click on the site name from this left sidebar, and you can see all your site files are here. So now you have to click on upload, and you can upload the Google verification file from here. As you can see, it is already uploaded and showing inside our hosting panel. So that's it. From here you can safely close the cPanel and click on the verify button from Google Search Console. And now you can see ownership is verified and we have complete rights to access this search console using our email. Now you have to authenticate the Google Search Console with this Yoast plugin. Click on this red button and you have to choose your Gmail account from here, which you have set earlier. Now you have to click on the allow button to grant the access. Here you have to select and copy this code and you have to paste it here like this. Then click authenticate button. It will authenticate your Yoast plugin with your Google Search Console. Then you have to select your website from here. That's it. Press next. Now you have to define your title settings. These are fancy settings and you can choose whatever you like. It will be shown on the Google search result to divide your title and pages. Here is an optional newsletter subscription coming from WooCommerce, Yoast plugin. You can sign up or skip this as you wish. Now the Yoast configuration is complete. They are trying to sell the Yoast SEO premium plugin and they are providing some tutorial from here. Just you have done it and click close. Now we have completely configured the Yoast plugin and it's time to configure our additional WooCommerce SEO add-on plugin. Now you can see every notice has been gone and Yoast is working properly. Okay. Now we will configure the WooCommerce SEO add-on. To do this you have to go to Primers from the left menu and this is the SEO add-on page. Now you have to select it as a brand as we have selected earlier. Sorry, you don't need to select this brand. These are coming from the WooCommerce product attributes. Leave them, you don't need this. Now you have to go to WooCommerce settings page to get your store address and keep the same name and address for your shop here. You will need to provide the real business address of your website from here. Remember to keep both the addresses as same. Okay, now you have to put your support email address here. You can use any email for this, but it is recommended to use your contact or support email ID. Now if you have any phone number provided, you can also use this. It will be your business phone number. please include the ISD code also. Now you have to type your opening hours, that is the days and timings, like this similar format. Now you have to choose the payment accepted format like credit card, PayPal, debit card, etc. I will show you in the next video how you can validate all this provided information real time using Google. Okay, you can contact this Primar's support center if you like, but I don't think it is necessary. Now we have successfully configured our WooCommerce SEO add-on. Now it's time to add an XML sitemap inside Google Webmaster Tools. For this, you have to type in sitemap underscore index.xml. This file has been created using Yoast plugin, and this link contains the entire sitemap of your website. And this sitemap is very much required for Google and other search engines to index your website. This is the sitemap index page, as you can see, and you can see the last edited date and time of every pages your website has. Here you can find all the pages, post and product URLs in a structured way using XML sitemap. Now you have to go to this add new sitemap column from Google and just type the sitemap underscore index.xml from here, and after clicking on submit you can see Google has accepted your XML sitemap successfully. It will take some time for Google to index your website. You can always come back to this Google Search Console later in 2-3 days to see all the pages will be indexed by Google here, and it will also be visible on other search pages. Now I am going to test a live URL from our site inside Google Search Console. I will tell you more about this detail in the following lesson, how you can test that structured data fetched by Google. And now you can see the URL is available to Google, and it is very good because you are getting that green tick mark and it is ready to be indexed. You can learn more about this URL inspection tool following the link provided by Google. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next lecture.